Hi, I'm Rady, the virtual assistant that will help RadCORE users from Brazil and other countries to better understand the posts that Flávio will make about Unigui with RadCORE. RC Translate is being developed to help users who want to internationalize their applications. Let's see a preview of a new feature of RC Translate, which is the possibility to apply translation to column titles in a dbgrid. At design time, you make settings for dbgrid columns. With the new feature, you will now be able to add, in the attribute title, the parameter translate. This will inform RadCORE that this dbgrid can be used in RC Translate for translation. Now I'm going to show you a video so I can demonstrate how to apply translations. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, click on like to help the RadCORE project. If you want to know RadCORE, call Flávio on WhatsApp, on Telegram, or send him an email. Okay? Until next time, and good studies.